Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage remote teams with Zoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting the appropriate Zoom plan that suits your team's needs. Once you have your account set up, familiarize yourself with the Zoom interface. Create a welcoming meeting environment by using a professional virtual background. Schedule regular team meetings to maintain communication and accountability. Send meeting invitations in advance with clear agendas included. Encourage team members to join meetings on time to respect everyone's schedule. Use the screen sharing feature to present materials and projects easily. Incorporate video whenever possible to enhance engagement and make interactions more personal. Utilize Zoom's chat function to allow for real-time questions and comments. Record meetings for team members unable to attend and ensure they can catch up on important discussions. Encourage an inclusive atmosphere by inviting input from all team members. Use breakout rooms for small group discussions to foster collaboration. Set clear expectations for meeting participation and tasks. Provide feedback regularly to help team members grow and improve. Utilize Zoom's polling feature to gather opinions during meetings. Establish one-on-one check-ins to address individual team member needs. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your meetings for continuous improvement. Encourage the use of Zoom's integrations with other tools your team utilizes. Create a shared document for meeting notes to enhance collaboration. Promote a culture of follow-up after meetings to ensure tasks are completed. Regularly assess team dynamics to strengthen relationships and boost morale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.